Hi everyone, let A is equal to B. Let us multiply by B on both sides. We get AB is equal to B square. Now add B square on both sides. So AB plus B square is equal to B square plus B square. So finally we'll be getting AB plus B square is equal to 2B square. Now let us subtract 2AB on both sides. So AB plus B square minus 2AB is equal to 2B square minus 2AB. So here we'll get finally B square AB minus 2AB is minus AB is equal to 2 if we take common B square minus AB. So the left hand side here is 1 times B square minus AB is equal to 2 times B square minus AB. Now the common factor here is B square minus AB. So B square minus AB, let us try to cancel. So finally what we get here is 1 is equal to 2. This is what the result will be getting, which all of us know it's not a correct mathematical statement. So if you try to understand here very carefully, the reason behind this statement 1 is equal to 2 is because one very silly mistake which is not allowed in mathematics that has been taken place here. What is that exactly? So the mistake here is cancelling the term B square minus AB on both sides. So the mistake is lying here. So here we have cancelled B square minus AB on both sides, which is not allowed. The reason is, if you take this A is equal to B here, if you consider this A is equal to B, then B square minus AB, if you evaluate, you will see something very interesting. So B square minus A is nothing but B. So B into B becomes B square. So B square minus B square is 0. So actually we have cancelled 0 on both sides. Because of that only we got this illogical statement. So please remember, zeros we are not supposed to cancel. So rather than doing all these, very simple, let me come direct to the point. Suppose if I take a 5 into 0, which is also 0, and 7 into 0 is also 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Suppose if I cancel 0 here on both sides. So what I get here is, so 5 is equal to 7, which is again wrong. So zeros generally we should not cancel. Please remember that. Now let us try to understand this concept in the JEE point of view. So for that, let me just take one example. Let us take theta is equal to say 45 degrees. Let us take theta is equal to 45 degrees. Now let me just multiply by 10 on both sides. So 10 theta is equal to 450 degrees. So this 10 theta can be rewritten as 4 theta plus 6 theta, which is equal to 450 degrees. So 4 theta is nothing but 450 degrees minus 6 theta. Now let me take sine on both sides. So sine of 4 theta is equal to sine of 450 degrees minus 6 theta. So sine of 4 theta is equal to sine of 450 minus 6 theta. So 450 is same as 360 plus 90. So hence 450 is same as 90 because one rotation is 360 degrees. So 450 can be equivalently taken as 90 degrees. So sine of 90 minus 6 theta is cos 6 theta. Okay, so now we have an equation sine 4 theta is equal to cos 6 theta. Now let me just try to recall one very important result. Sine 2a is nothing but 2 sine a into cos a. And similarly cos 3a is nothing but 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So these are the two very interesting results of trigonometry which we are going to use it here. So let us try to continue. So if I take this as sine 2a, so a is 2 theta. So let me just use the first result. In place of a, I have to write 2 theta. So this becomes 2 sine 2 theta into cos 2 theta is equal to cos 6 theta. So cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So a becomes 2 theta here. So in place of a, I have to write 2 theta. So 4 cos cube 2 theta minus 3 cos 2 theta. So if I write this 2 sine 2 theta into cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta into, so 4 cos square 2 theta minus 3. So if I do this, so what I'll get here is I will be getting cos 2 theta common on both sides. So it's a common factor. So we can just cancel this, and finally we'll be getting one equation here, that is 2 sine 2 theta is equal to 4 times cos square 2 theta. What is cos square 2 theta? 1 minus sine square 2 theta minus 3. So this becomes finally a simple quadratic equation. 4 sine square 2 theta plus 2 sine 2 theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in sine 2 theta. Hence sine 2 theta, we can just use that quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this becomes sine 2 theta is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 divided by 8. So 2 you can cancel. So we'll be getting sine 2 theta is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 4, or sine 2 theta is equal to minus 1 minus root 5 divided by 4. So please remember here theta is 45 degrees, but sine 2 theta we are getting root 5 minus 1 by 4, which is definitely a number less than 1. But actually if theta is 45, sine of 2 times 45 is sine 90, which must be 1. We are supposed to get 1, but we did not get 1 and we got something else. So this is also wrong. This is also wrong. So please remember the reason why we have got this wrong result. Theta is 45 but sine 2 theta is not 1. We have got a wrong result. The reason here is, if you see very carefully, the term which we have cancelled here. So we have cancelled cos 2 theta on both sides, whereas theta is 45, which means cos of 2 times 45 is cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. So 0 we have cancelled on both sides. Hence we have arrived at this wrong result. So please ensure that zeros we are not cancelling in future. Thank you.